I said before, I'm gonna love this matchup. Onyx Philippines versus Code Unknown. And I believe I've seen this before because I've been watching MDL. My team din sila yun. My team din sila doon sa MDL. But now we're gonna see them in full action in our Beyblade League. Imagine if Code gets another set of 6 points.
Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon sila ng good match. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Iba yun, iba yun. Bam! And it worked out to perfection para kay Brios. Extreme finish!
1, go shoot!
Uy! What? That? Whoa! Whoa! Nah! 6? Oh! That is huge for the differentials going over to Ganda.
Grabe si Prios. I'll predict another extreme by you. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Okay, looking good.
Ang ganda ng reverse X!
Almost. Ah! My God! 3 extremes in a row.
Give me another extreme, Code. Give me another extreme. Isa pa.
Yep, it's Emperor Rage versus the Wizard Rod. Ang lakas ng There it is!
There it is!
Oh my God!
Ganun talaga ang
6 points going over to Code! Walang secret sa video!
Guys, lahat ng wins ng Code, all extreme.
Extreme finishes!
Tingnan natin kung si Nazer magbibigay pa ng another extreme dito. It's gonna be big.
Brios and Yule had 6 points. Will it be the same para kay Nazer?
Puti yan!
All 6! Another set of 6 points! This is one of the best kind of results that's possible for this league. Because 6 points, even though may loss sila, even though like some sort of point difference, it's still 6 points
That's
throughout the board. 18 points total. With a small differential. That is huge for Code. We cannot stress this enough.
It's really huge. Let's call the 666 win the trifecta.
Trifecta, the hat trick.
The hat trick. Grabe.